Hello there, Taylor with the Multi-Emperor Report. Yes, we have dos nuevos ciclones tropicales or something. So we've got a new one out here, Tropical Cyclone Rusty. Rusty predicted to become the equivalent of a Category 2 hurricane before making landfall in Australia. In fact, there are cyclone warnings and cyclone watches in effect for this one. So and you can see the outer bands of Rusty are already impacting the coastal areas, but it looks like this would probably be the center of circulation as of right now. So yeah, obviously something to pay attention to if you're out there. Now this thing, Tropical Depression 18, is it Tropical Storm? I believe it's Tropical Storm 18. Either way, this thing could potentially be a problem for Australia in the future as well, though it's too early to tell where that thing is going to ultimately end up. And then Haruna is still sticking around, now down to subtropical depression. So potentially it affects for Loch Reunion. Let's see if we've got satellite on this. But it's not a very well put together storm. It's in fact, if it's subtropical, that I'm pretty sure means it's no longer tropical. It's below tropical, whatever subtropical really means. So yeah, probably not a huge threat to Loch Reunion and Maurice, hopefully, but still, potentially some multi-imper, some, viento, maybe, some light viento and some, I don't know, juvia, some rains. I have no idea. But that is what is happening right now, is those three things. Apparently there's still some spaghetti models left over from this 102 WP, whose name I've already forgotten. How about that? So that is what is happening right now. Those three storms in US severe thunderstorm weather. Got a threat area for Texas today. So let's take a look at the map. So here is the wind map. So probability of winds 58 miles per hour and greater. Probability of hail 1 inch or larger. So hail is apparently the bigger threat today. And then probability of any size tornado today, so as high as 2% chance. So that would mean you randomly pick this point in Texas. What you do is you draw a 25-mile radius circle around it, and that would mean that there's a 2% chance of a tornado happening somewhere within that 25-mile radius circle. Tomorrow, as high as 30% chance there, and for Louisiana, Mississippi, yeah, there's a smidge of those areas. So as high as a 30% on that one, so much more area affected tomorrow. And then day after tomorrow moves out to the coast with a 15% chance. And here is the specific probability map. So much more limited, however, it doesn't really matter if it drops a huge tornado. It doesn't matter if it was a limited area in general. Who cares? The point is the specific threat and such. However, days 4 through 8, at least as of now, I should say, potential too low. So maybe back to some more winter, where the severe thunderstorms cool down a little bit. Cool down, hold off, something like that. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. Cyclone is CYCLOCANE.com. Let's turn on all of the satellites. There you go. Ooh. Look at that. Rusty looks much more impressive on that one. That looks like a put-together eye, sort of. Anyway, that is it for today. Hopefully you're staying safe out there.